In the high-stakes world of casino operations, understanding Feng Shui taboos is as crucial as mastering lucky layouts. Certain design mistakes can create energy blockages, repel wealthy qi, and undermine even the most sophisticated gaming floor strategy. Here are 5 critical red lines that every casino operator must avoid crossing. Yi. The mirror trap, reflecting away fortune. Mirrors represent one of the most misunderstood elements in casino Feng Shui. While they can theoretically expand space and double abundance, misplaced mirrors become energy disasters. The cardinal rule: never position mirrors directly facing main entrances, gaming tables, or cashier stations. This misplacement symbolically reflects wealth and opportunities back out the door. Instead, implement strategic mirror placement alongside walls to visually expand spaces without deflecting lucky qi. Consider using one-way mirrors in surveillance areas to observe without creating energy rebound. For existing problematic mirrors, apply subtle window film that maintains reflection while containing wealth energy. Sharp angle assaults. The hidden energy daggers. Architectural sharp angles create what Feng Shui masters call secret arrows, invisible energy projectiles that disrupt gambling luck and decision-making. These dangerous angles typically emerge from structural columns, ceiling designs, or decorative elements that point directly toward gaming areas. The solution involves strategic softening through circular design elements, hanging plants, or curved furniture placements. Install rounded corner protectors on problematic structures and incorporate flowing water features to dissipate harsh angle energy. Particularly important is ensuring no sharp angles target high-limit gaming areas where concentration is paramount. San. Dead zone dilemmas. Revitalizing energy deserts. Dead zones, areas where energy stagnates, represent profit killers in casino layouts. These typically occur in remote corners, narrow hallways leading to restrooms, or poorly lit sections between major gaming areas. The financial impact manifests through abandoned slot machines, empty tables, and shortened customer stays. Combat dead zones with energy activation strategies. Install rotating displays, dynamic lighting systems, or small water features to reintroduce movement. Position popular promotional areas or food stations to draw natural foot traffic. Most importantly, ensure no gaming station operates in an energy vacuum where qi cannot circulate freely. Su. Restroom placement. The wealth drain. Perhaps the most critical Feng Shui taboo involves restroom positioning relative to money areas. Traditional principles dictate that toilets symbolically flush away wealth when placed near financial centers. Modern casino applications require careful separation between restroom entrances and cash handling zones, high-limit areas, and main wealth sectors. Implement advanced solutions like angled entrance designs, wealth protection corridors, or energy lock vestibules containing earth element materials. Decorative elements featuring mountains or stable landscapes near restroom entrances can symbolically block financial drainage. Wu. Clutter catastrophe, blocking wealth flow. In casino Feng Shui, clutter represents more than just visual mess, it signifies blocked opportunities and stagnant cash flow. This taboo extends beyond physical clutter to include visual noise, overlapping sound systems, and competing decorative themes that confuse energy flow. Develop systematic energy hygiene protocols ensuring clear pathways, unobstructed gaming views, and thematic consistency. Implement hidden storage solutions, regular clutter audits, and staff training on maintaining energetic cleanliness. Pay special attention to back-of-house areas, as administrative clutter can symbolically constrain front-of-house prosperity. Beyond avoidance, the proactive approach, simply avoiding these taboos, represents only half the solution. The most successful casinos implement regular Feng Shui audits, staff energy awareness training, and continuous monitoring systems. Many properties now employ dedicated Feng Shui consultants who conduct monthly walkthroughs identifying emerging issues before they impact profits. Remember that Feng Shui taboos operate in relationship with each other. A single sharp angle pointing toward a cluttered dead zone creates compounded negative effects. The most sophisticated casino operators understand these interrelationships and develop comprehensive solutions addressing multiple taboos simultaneously. As the gaming industry evolves, those who master both the art of positive Feng Shui and the science of avoiding these critical taboos will maintain decisive competitive advantages. The energy environment you create ultimately determines whether fortune flows toward or away from your operation.